The 11Cs, Your Honor.
Now,
Mark, is there any objection?
yes, Your Honor. The earlier Alpha list mentioned had already been marked by the prosecution. Your Honor. Ano ba?
I don't believe the Alpha lists were marked by the prosecution.
Wait, di ba?
Yesterday.
Hindi kahapon, di ba? Hindi, yung Alpha list, di ba? May marka pa yan.
2006. Lahat ng mga alpha
Yes.
list. Lahat ng alpha list.
Up to 2010, Your Honor.
2002, 2003, 2004, 2005.
Up to 2010, Your Honor.
Up to 2010. And
Yes.
they're all marked already.
Were marked yesterday, but only by the defense, Your Honor.
That's
Today we are trying to cause the marking of all the Alpha lists, Your Honor.
For the prosecution.
For the prosecution, yes, Your Honor.
Is there,
Now,
is there
for
any-
direct, if Your Honor, please, with the kind of report on compensation, Your Honor, had already been marked as Exhibit 118 for the defense, Your Honor. This refers to 2002 year-end report. For the 2003, Your Honor, Exhibit 120, Your Honor. Now, 121 deals or covers the year 2005, Your Honor. I'm saying on record that if they are adopting these exhibits already, Your Honor, then they are already marked as exhibit for the defense, Your Honor. In which case, they will be common.
as your own exhibits, exhibit
Yes, Your Honor. We are as exhibits 1142 for the defense, and additionally, we'd also like to cause the marking of the new batch of Alpha list from the years 2006 to 2010, Your Honor.
all right, it's be done for the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions on cross-examination, Your Honor.
No redirect, Your Honor.
Yeah, these alpha lists are public records, They're the government.
Right, Your
All
Honor.
right. So,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
May we request that the witness be excused,
Discharged.
Your Honor?
this witness is discharged.
Oh, sige po. Thank you.
Another witness.
We will request, Your Honor, that we be allowed to present. Andiyan na? Sino na andiyan?
Sorry.
We apologize, Your Honor, that our witness is still taking lunch now because they came.
Trial is suspended for 1 minute to allow the witness to come to the room. Trial resume. The witness is now in the room and he is now sitting on the witness stand.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding? So help you God.
A member of the defense panel to be allowed to conduct the direct examination of this witness, Your Honor.
Attorney Dennis Manalo is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Mr. Presiding Officer, or maybe request that Attorney Jose Benjamin Panganiban be recognized to receive the testimony.
Attorney
Panganiban.
Panganiban.
Your Honor, with the kind permission of the Honorable Court.
Proceed.
Mr. Witness, please state your name and other personal circumstances for the record.
I am Engineer Roberto Villaluz, married, I have 3 kids.
You are the city assessor of Taguig.
Officer in charge of the Office of the City Assessor of the City of Taguig. Your Honor.
All right. Proceed.
Your Honor, this witness, the statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth of Chief Justice Corona as of December 31, 2010. This is an exhibit marked by the prosecutor.
Only a part.
Your Honor, this will refer to 2 parts in the said SAL-N. It will refer to real estate properties number 4, which is the number 5, which is the Bellagio property.
All right. Proceed.
We will prove through this witness, Your Honor, that the assessed values and fair market values of the said real estate properties. We will present this witness, Your Honor, also for the purpose of proving that there is basis for the non-inclusion of the McKinley property in the SAL-N of Chief Justice Corona, considering shows that TCT number 2093 or the McKinley property does not belong to CJ Corona but to some other person, Your Honor.
This particular property.
Will present this witness to prove that, but that is the theory of the prosecution, Your Honor, is that these are one of the properties that they claim should have been reported by the chief. Mr. Witness, can you please repeat what your present occupation is?
I am the officer in charge of the Office of the City.
Witness.
There are many duties and functions of an assessor. To name a few, the city assessor establishes a systematic method of assessment in real property. Second, the city schedule of fair market value pursuant to RA 7160, better known as the Local Government Code of 1991. And then, the city assessor issues tax declaration involving transfers of ownership, consolidation, subdivision and segregation, and all other transactions involving assessment of real property. Being a custodian, the city assessor also keeps records of all transfers, leases, mortgages.
All right. In relation to the duties and functions of your office, how are buyers of real property, high-rise condominium units in Taguig?
The process, to make it clear, pwede ba akong magtagalog? Yun?
Opo, pwede po.
One who wishes to have his tax declaration. Susunod.
Sige po. Pwede pong English,
Taglish,
pwede pong, Your Honor, may the witness be allowed to speak in the language that he prefers.
Sige, sa Tagalogin mo na lang.
One who wishes to issue a tax declaration on her end approaches our customer service. Then he or she will submit all the pertinent documents.
Tagalog. Tagalogin mo na lang.
Condominium certificate of title, deed of sale, certificate authorizing registration or the car from BIR, the transfer tax, tax clearance, consumer service yun, for the completeness and veracity of the documents. And then after checking, he will be given the order of payment for the processing fee. Then after paying the processing fee, he will then go back a claim stub para i-notify siya kung kailan siya babalik. And then what happens to the document he submitted? The customer service will then forwarded it to the appraisers in charge, and then compute whatever taxes it has. The appraiser then will fill up what we call FAAS, Field Appraisal Tax Declaration per se.
Paano ninyo dinedetermina ang buwis